video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID as check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The bookings of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to visit, you can refer to the link provided in the description. Urgent please read description if you are facing any kind of problem with this property. You can tell us by commenting below. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property.